French project, it is not something to joke about. Now, in this particular setup, Reste, Maxima, Malo Gusto, Lukeba, Melen, Lepina, Ugechuku, Zari Emery, Ransheki, Kalimwendo, Bracola o PSG, Ransheki o Lyon, Zari Emery Bowman PSG as a starter, Ugechuku or Chelsea, Malo Gusto and on about Chelsea. Right? So you look at the level of the under 21 and their key players. Most of them will be starting in senior national teams of other nations. France ni omoko pre-Euros.
Okay.
So the quality in contest, Oma Thierry Henry onim how to maintain pressure at a young stage. Thierry Henry was part of the French national team when they went to France in 1998. No, sir. Now you look at the involvement and how when into the national team, how we handle no. He goes to this side, look at players with more quality players are more clubs, trying to help them say they'll have an easy path into the senior team. And the column one in Munebo, Beka Krawe Musunebeba. Okay. No one will take over the national team. So France is not going down now. This ABR, Oma manage talent ni, but if they should consistently do what they are doing, Luther, I think Euros, they say 5 out of 5. Womunya Mayo. When we are another batch, when we are bet World Cup 2030 batch, already they are sorted for World Cup 2026 batch, and they are sorted for Euro 2024 batch. It is terrible on me. Emisa Hanaso and Fadi and Sen Asubi Ebeshi pa.
That's a coach in the one and one.
I said, Bishop Mukamu players Manu Kone Mukrania Mayo. Amunina go actually. Amunina prepra. Go actually.
Talent.
And France have managed. This is what England wants to do. It was the England team with the ball under 21 final now. Levy Cowell. This guy for PSV bar Chelsea winger. Bishop. This Chelsea winger from PSV. They Noni Madueke. So you look at these couple of players are key players within the Curtis Jones from Liverpool. It is where England under 21 for almost winning ban. She almost winning ban with the trophy under 21. It almost tries almost to grow into the game. Said a baby free one man from a day. Ebeba. And already within their setup, they can rise Munina Woma, Musa, for the Munina, Marcus for Munina, Bukayo Saka Munina Woma, age no Mafa. So it is interesting to understand that now most of the European clubs have also set the standards. They are also almost set the standards. They will have to come back and become dominant in the world.